Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. All right. All ready for you, man. Small branch. Yeah, maybe a wrap, maybe a half a wrap, if you can. Alrighty, here you go. Yep, all good. So that part of the tree is the part that gets on my nerves, but oh man, gotta come out one way or another. Yep. And I think I know how. For a little mini swing here. Alright, there we go. Okay. Well, I guess that was a swing. No, wouldn't really call that a swing though. Yeah, it was more like a step. All right, here we go, and Alright, so we take the rope like this and then make a little loop for us to complete our bow line. That right there, my friends, is how you do it. Or how you can do it. I shouldn't say how you do it. I'm sorry guys, I don't want to sound like I'm telling you what to do. I'm not Mr. Right here. But that is definitely a effective method of...
Take a slack out.
Oh yeah, I'm ready for you, man. Alrighty. Cool. And you're in. All clear? All right. All right. So it looks like that branch caught my rope. I'm gonna be proactive about it before something starts happening with it. Before you start pulling it out and it gets tangled and becomes a pain in the crack in the ass. All right, very good, very good. And yeah, just trying to disturb the adjacent trees as little as possible. Yep. Makes it easier, man. Then you don't have to go chasing broken branches. Yep.
Yeah, just until it breaks like halfway through the tree.
Yep. See that branch there? It'll cut right here. Yeah, that's not a big deal, man. I'm kind of stressing out about it, but it's really not a big deal. It's just kind of weird positioning. I don't know. Just makes me nervous, you know? It's the tiny things, man. The tiny things that'll get you. Alright. So we have a little situation here with the rope, so cut it right up above here and then make a nice clean cut afterwards. That way nothing starts getting hung up. Excuse me.